teacher. My name is Giovanna Prado. Activity 2, the English 2. My friend is Martin. My friend is location, the Raymond Avenue Abringham Boulevard. Martin is prepared and the diner delicious the grape. Read the barbecue and swing salad. Barbecue read ingredients. 1 pound on the chicken wings, barbecue sauce and bowl, and quarter the count on the floor, half on the tablespoon of black pepper, a cube of light oil, 2 pinches of salt. Ingredients: sweet salt, acrid luncheons, and quarter of raisins to the raised apples, a ripe mango, and a bowl of pink milk cream, half the teaspoon of rum, the sugar. Martin is the ingredients, the crumb. Martin in Go the Raymond Avenue supermarket. In the ingredients. After to the white tour in the butcher shop of the chicken. Tour the two white and better road avenue road spur.